Hello Auto Wars, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna unboxing this shooting start units, and the item number is 95573. So let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is clear blue. Okay, so this is the body. Okay, and here's the stickers. Alright, so next let's take a look at the chassis. So the chassis, it is the M8 Raining Force chassis. Okay, and this is the parts, and this I think is color for brown. Okay, and the next will be the deep blue plated, and this is the large size, narrow and wide. Okay, and then this is I think this is the first time I see this kind of a super hard tire. Okay, so this is a super hard tire, and there's the what is that called? The side mark, I guess, whatever. And yeah, and then the gear ratio compass is 4.1, and other is just like regular. Okay, so this is everything for this car, and let's see how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so now I think you know how it looks like after we build it. But for this car, actually, it's a very good memory for me, because actually this is like, of course not this one. I mean the regular one, the shooting star, like the one had it before, the M8 chassis. That one, it was my first M8 chassis I have played. So for me, it's very special memory. And this one, actually, that one is not like this good as like this one, because that one doesn't have a hard tire like this. This is super hard tire. That one only comes with the soft tire, and this one it only it comes with like the clear blue body. It's very, very cool. But the other one is only white, like completely white. But you know, I still like it because the body, the shape looks very, very cool. Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, I will see you next time.